Mathematical problems of Standard 4. 15 friends went to pick mangoes. Each friend picked 12 mangoes. How many mangoes did they pick in total? 12 into 15. 180 mangoes picked in total. 350 saplings need to be planted in rows. They are divided equally in 25 rows. How many saplings will be there in each row? 350 divided by 25, 14 saplings will be there in each row. These are 995 women, 1828 children, and 690 men have come to the Bengali New Year fair. Calculate the total number of people who have come to this fair. 995 plus 1828 plus 690 is 3513 people have come to this fair. Mitali aunt went to the market with 780 bananas. How many dozen bananas did she take to the market? 780 divided by 12, 65 dozen bananas she took to the market. The cost of an Arabian jasmine garland is rupees 12. The cost of a tuberose garland is rupees 25. You bought 5 Arabian jasmine garlands and 4 tuberose garlands. Calculate the total money you need to spend. Arabian jasmine garland cost rupees 12 into 5, rupees 60. Tuberose garland cost rupees 25 into 4, rupees 100. Total cost rupees 160. The distance between your house and your maternal uncle's house is 16 km. You went 12 km 300 meter by bus and 2 km 830 meter by rickshaw to go to your maternal uncle's house. You walked the rest of the way. Calculate the total distance covered by bus and rickshaw. Also calculate the distance you walked. Total distance 16 km is 16 into 1000 meters, 16,000 meters. Went by bus 12 km 300 meter is 12,300 meters. By rickshaw 2 km 830 meter is 2,830 meters. Total distance covered by bus and rickshaw is 12,300 plus 2,830 meters is 15,130 meters. 15 km 130 meter. Total distance walked 16,000 minus 15,130 meters is 830 meters. 110 months. Calculate in year and month. 1 hour 30 minutes. Calculate in minutes. 110 divided by 12. 9 years 2 months. 1 hour 30 minutes is 60 plus 30 minutes is 90 minutes. Simplify. Second bracket 75 divided by 5 into 3 minus first bracket 15 minus 11 plus 6 first bracket into 4 second bracket divided by 5. Second bracket 75 divided by 5 into 3 minus 15 minus 11 4 plus 6 10 into 4 second bracket divided by 5. Second bracket 75 divided by 5 is 15 into 3 minus 10 into 4 second bracket divided by 5. Second bracket 15 into 3 45 minus 10 into 4 40 second bracket divided by 5. 45 minus 45 divided by 5 1 answer. Thank you.